Hey guys, we're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, and today we're looking at our current Street Glide lineup. These are all 2021s, brand new motorcycles. This one right here is a Street Glide Standard. The other three are all Street Glide Specials. They all have engine protectors, floorboards, locking saddlebags, lots of hand controls, navigation. These bikes are perfect for two-up, touring trips, commuting, whatever you want to do on them. The specials have the 114 cubic inch engine. The standard has the 107 Milwaukee 8 engine. And you can choose between chrome or black detailing for the engine. Again, we're at Biggs Harley Davidson, located in San Marcos, California, and we are open 6 days a week for test rides. Come ride anything we have. Hope to see you soon.